Hello, my beautiful friends. If you've been noticing your skin feels a little tired, a little dull, or those lovely age spots are becoming more visible, please know this is perfectly normal. Our skin changes, and it simply asks for a different kind of gentle love. Instead of turning to expensive procedures, let's look to the wisdom of our grandmothers. Today, we are uncovering the ancient secret of rice water therapy, a ritual used for centuries by women in Asia for radiant porcelain-smooth skin. This simple water is a powerhouse of brightening and anti-aging compounds that is affordable and nurturing. In this guide, I will show you the exact steps, backed by science, to transform simple rice into a powerful elixir. We'll cover the only proven method to make the most potent concentrated water, the scientific truth about how it repairs your skin barrier and fades dark spots, a gentle 3-step routine to use this water daily for a luminous glow. The lovely thing about this therapy is that any type of rice will work because the beneficial compounds are present in all of them. However, if you want to make the most loving choice, I recommend choosing organic rice when you can. This ensures your water is free from unwanted pesticides, giving your skin the purest therapy possible. For the most powerful anti-aging and brightening benefits, we focus on the fermented method. This process is key because it unlocks and concentrates the healing properties, making the water highly effective for mature skin. A gentle rinse. Take 1 cup of rice and gently rinse it once with plain water to wash away any dust. Drain this water. The soak-in setup. Place the rinsed rice in a clean jar and add 2 cups of clean water. Cover the jar loosely. The ferment. The magic. Leave the jar at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. When the water develops a very light, subtle sour scent, it's ready. This means the natural nutrients have been activated. The rest in dilution. Strain the water and move it to the refrigerator immediately. Crucial step. Before using, always dilute the concentrated rice water with clean, plain water at a ratio of approximately 1 part rice water to 3 parts plain water. Fermentation is not just an old wives' tale. It is scientifically superior for your skin because it brings 3 key benefits. Boosted koyic acid. Fermentation significantly increases the concentration of koyic acid. Studies show this compound is a natural depigmenting agent that works by blocking the enzyme that produces melanin, making it incredibly effective for naturally fading sunspots and hyperpigmentation. Optimal pH level. The process lowers the water's pH, making it closely match the natural, healthy pH of your skin. This helps maintain your skin's protective acid mantle, keeping it resilient. Inhibiting elastase. Research suggests the antioxidants, like inositol, can help reduce the activity of the enzyme elastase, which breaks down elastin. By gently protecting elastin, the water helps maintain your skin's firmness and elasticity. Your gentle 3-step therapy. Every application of this water is an act of mindful self-care. Use your chilled, diluted rice water gently on your face. Daily toner, the brightening swipe, morning and night. Soak a soft cotton pad in your diluted rice water. Gently swipe the pad over your face, neck, and chest. Do not rinse this off. This daily use delivers the kojic acid to continuously brighten your complexion and tighten the appearance of pores. The soothing compress, the calm blanket for redness. If your skin feels sensitive, red, or irritated, soak a few cotton pads in the cold, diluted water. Lay them over the troubled areas like a calm, cool blanket. Rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Factual studies show the natural starches have powerful anti-inflammatory effects, soothing irritation and visibly reducing redness by supporting the skin barrier. The deep mask, the hydration hug, weekly treatment. Mix 1 tablespoon of diluted rice water with 1 teaspoon of a pure hydrator like pure honey or aloe vera gel. Apply this mixture gently to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes of quiet relaxation. This intense treatment helps the skin produce ceramide precursors, which are crucial for repairing the skin barrier, locking in moisture, and leaving your skin feeling plump and resilient. My dear friends, thank you for embarking on this gentle journey with me. This is not just a beauty secret, it is a profound act of self-respect and holistic nurturing. Before you lovingly apply this rice water all over your face, please perform a simple patch test. Apply a small amount of the diluted rice water to a discrete area, like your inner wrist or jawline. Wait 24 hours. If there is no redness or irritation, you are ready to enjoy your water therapy. Remember, true radiance comes from a place of inner peace. If you are ready to go deeper and connect these peaceful physical habits with a journey toward deeper relaxation and spiritual well-being, I want to gently invite you to explore the Inspirations Summit package. The link to secure your access is waiting for you right in the description box below. Thank you for sharing your precious time with me. You are worthy of this time, this care, and this incredible journey. Please like this video and subscribe so we can continue to grow and glow together. Until next time, be gentle with yourselves.